how to fix Walgreens app login error. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix if you're not being able to log into the Walgreens application, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have Walgreens application opens up and installed on your phone and you're not being able to log in, there are a couple of ways on how you can fix it. Of course, the very first thing I want you to do is simply swipe down from your control center, check if you're connected to Wi-Fi. If not, then I want you to switch to cellular data. If you do have Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular. If you're using cellular, try to switch to Wi-Fi and then see if that actually helps you solve your problem. If that helps you solve it, that's definitely perfectly fine. If it doesn't, open the Walgreens application. Another reason you're not being able to log in could be due to your incorrect credentials. So just go ahead and tap on the continue option over here. Once you tap on the continue option, just tap the account icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find the sign in option. Make sure that you enter your correct email and your password in order to sign into your Walgreens account. In case you happen to forget your password, you can tap the forgot password to reset it. If you've not yet registered for Walgreens app, you can just tap the register option, create a new account, and after that you will be able to log in without any issues. Hope this video helped you guys as to how you can fix Walgreens app login error. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.